Okay, I'm with this Mazda 3 and I'll be replacing the rear wheel bearing hub assembly. So I got the car jacked up. Now I'm going to remove the rear wheel. Okay, with the rear wheel removed, I'm going to remove the brake assembly, the caliper, the bracket, and the rotor. For the caliper, it takes 14mm socket for these, and the bracket also takes a 14mm socket for those bolts that hold that on. Okay, with the brake parts removed, there's a ABS wheel speed sensor back here. This wire, and there's a 10mm bolt that holds this on. So you need to carefully remove the bolt and wiggle out the wire. Okay, with the ABS sensor removed, this is the 10mm bolt here. There's 4 bolts, 2, 3, and 4 bolts that hold the wheel bearing on. This car is, the wheel bearings, the bolts are really rusty on this car, so it might be difficult to get it off, but it's got to come off. Okay, using my impact wrench and a I believe this is a 15. No, it's a 14mm socket. I was able to get all 4 of these bolts that hold the wheel bearing in place. Now I have my slide hammer mounted, and I sprayed some penetrating oil real good around the hub where it seats right here on the spindle. I'm just gonna hit this till it pops off the spindle. Okay, I got the wheel hub removed. The backing plate, the curved part goes on the outside. Clean this up and install the new wheel bearing. Okay, with the wheel bearing mounted, these bolts torqued down, I'm going to install the ABS sensor here and the 10mm bolt that holds that in. Then I'll be able to put the brake system back on. Yeah, so this is the complete job. New wheel bearing installed. I put the brakes back on, and only thing left is put the wheel on and lower the vehicle.